Hello everyone, so today I am going to give you a little inside peek on this sticker book. These are good for anybody that likes to do creative journaling or maybe use them to decorate your planner. I absolutely love these because they're so realistic looking. You know, they're not cartoonish. They've got such a real look to them, and they're on clear paper, so when you go to put them down, you're not going to be able to see any paper. So these are all clear. Oh wow, these are beautiful. I love those little boots. All right. So these are more like these are more fallish type of stickers. Beautiful colors. Oh, look, and it even comes with some quotes inside. And now it's got some washi, some like faux washi tape to be able to use. And now these are on white sticker paper. So as you can see here, where my finger is down here in the corner, that's what it's going to look like when you take them off. Okay. So I like how they give you both. They give you clear and the ones that are on the white photo paper or sticker paper, because everybody's got their own preferences. Oh, look, they even give you the little bullets to be able to use, the little bullet points, little boxes. These are great. Absolutely love these. All right, well, that's what's inside this one. This is the back of it. Ooh, let me get it in frame for you guys. And this is the front. And I will be sure to tag it so that you guys know the brand. And I hope you enjoyed this flip through.